Do you think Vaseline is just for moisturizing your lips? Think again. Here are 25 amazing ways Vaseline can make your life easier. These clever tips will show you how to use this versatile product in ways you've probably never imagined before. 1. Beauty tips use Vaseline as a makeup primer. Apply a thin layer to your skin before foundation to help it glide on smoothly and give your skin a hydrated, dewy look. Shape and set your eyebrows effortlessly with Vaseline. Simply apply a small amount with a brow brush to keep them in place all day. Increase the longevity of your perfume by applying a thin layer of Vaseline to your wrists or neck before spraying. This helps the scent last longer. Heal cracked heels by applying a generous layer of Vaseline to your feet before bed and wearing socks overnight. You'll wake up with soft, smooth feet. Fix mascara or eyeliner smudges easily. Dab a small amount of Vaseline on a cotton swab and gently remove the mistakes. Create a quick lip scrub by mixing Vaseline with sugar and gently massaging it onto your lips. This removes dead skin and leaves your lips soft and smooth. 2. Household uses. Stop squeaky door hinges by applying a little Vaseline to the hinges to silence them instantly. Restore the shine to dull jewelry by rubbing it with Vaseline. It works wonders on rings, necklaces, and more. Polish and protect leather shoes with Vaseline. It gives them a clean, shiny look while conditioning the leather. Reduce scratches on wooden furniture by applying Vaseline to the affected area. Let it sit for a while, then wipe it off with a soft cloth. Prevent hair dye from staining your skin by applying Vaseline along your hairline before dyeing. 3. Health and personal care. Relieve nasal dryness during a cold by applying a small amount of Vaseline around your nostrils to soothe irritation. Speed up the healing process of new tattoos by keeping the area moisturized with Vaseline. Protect stitches from water and dirt by applying a thin layer of Vaseline over them. Reduce pollen allergies by applying a small amount of Vaseline around your nostrils to trap pollen before it enters your nose. 4. For kids and pets. Protect your baby's delicate skin from diaper rash by applying a thin layer of Vaseline to the diaper area. Easily clean pet hair from furniture or clothing by applying a small amount of Vaseline to a cloth and wiping the surfaces. Prevent your dog's paw pads from cracking in cold weather by rubbing Vaseline onto their paws for extra protection. 5. Practical life hacks. Protect small cuts and wounds from infection by applying a thin layer of Vaseline to create a barrier. Soften your cuticles before a manicure by massaging a small amount of Vaseline into the area around your nails. Remove a stuck ring by applying Vaseline around your finger to make it glide off easily. Prevent your skin from drying out and cracking in cold weather by applying Vaseline to the affected areas. Avoid frozen car locks in winter by applying Vaseline to your car key and inserting it into the lock. As you can see, Vaseline is so much more than just a simple moisturizer. Which of these tips have you tried before? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing hacks like these.